This is Jade. She's the one that I always do the zooms on. Ow, my hair is oily. Alright, well today, I need a microphone. Incense. My hair is so high. Okay. Today I'm here with Jade. Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good.
Everyone's been getting it wrong my whole life.
Jaddy, sometimes I call her that. And today, you're hiring me as a model.
Yes, that's correct, but for free because I don't have money.
And I don't want money. This is like getting into my mouth. Where do you want to take photos?
Well, the Depop says that natural sunlight's the best.
We got a lot of that here.
Yeah, so anywhere near a window or some plants.
Well, we should do it facing this way because like all of the light is there. We can even close that. And we have so much to do, so.
Hi. Your cat has no neck.
Oh my god, modeling is easy.
Yeah.
I had a dream that I was on America's Next Top Model.
With Tyra?
No, I went to the cinemas, and then they gave me a makeover.
At the cinemas?
Yeah, at the cinemas. I was with all of my high school friends, and they gave me, you know, Christina Aguilera's old hair.
Yeah.
With like the black. They gave me that, but like 3 times more hair. And I walked out to my friends and everyone was laughing at me and I was going, yeah, I'm gonna lose this competition because I just got the worst haircut ever.
You were one of those bitches who hated the makeovers.
Yeah, because I was so like, do it. Which one am I doing? Let's do this pink one.
Yeah, I like that pink one.
I have an obsession with like labels.
Yeah.
And I found an Instagram that
Was it just
literally
labels?
and there's one of fruit stickers as well.
That feeds my soul. Wholesome. Wholesome.
Birds suddenly appear every time you are near, just like me.
Hey Zoe, what did I find for you? Yes.
You're a prefect, Zoe. That's cute. And I don't need it. I'm gonna buy this though.
Yeah, I think that's cool. Selena or something?
Nevika.
Yeah, we just moved all this.
High protection ski wear.
Ski, yeah, it is
From
ski
London.
stuff.
That's why it's so warm.
Yes.
Actually, I don't know if it's warm. Maybe synthetic, but
The colors are really nice.
We didn't sell it much.